Tracking the major development as far as the world of terror is concerned, that major plot that has been busted, 11 people being picked up. Now it is becoming clear that the Lashkar-e-Taiba and the Houthi terror modules had defense units on their radars. Now the defense secretary has told headlines today that a big tragedy indeed has been averted. R.K. Singh has told us that interrogation is likely to lead to more arrests. Now we already know that 5 more suspects have been arrested in Hyderabad and in Naned's. Security agencies are concerned about the profile really that is changing. A journalist, a DRDO engineer, that clearly goes to show that there is radicalization that is happening within India. And Singh said that we are gearing up to face this challenge of radicalization itself within the country. Now Vidya now joins us for more on the story. Vidya, just take us through the main pointers. What is coming out in this, what the government is willing to tell us? How big a tragedy are we looking at that was averted? Multiple blasts at multiple locations.
Well, it certainly seems like, but not exactly the entire figure of exactly where the targets is not really clearly known. But whatever is filtering in from the police establishment is the fact that the defense establishments as well as various other organizations across the country were targeted, including media houses. So certainly these are the aspects at which Mumbai, the ATS in Maharashtra is also investigating. But at the moment, they're not really talking too much about what exactly who these people are. At the moment, not much of it is known.
All right, and just take us through the prospect of more arrests at this point of time, Vidya.
Well, there are in totality now there are about 16 people who have now been arrested, but exactly as to how many more, the ATS is really keeping mum on that. But what they are saying is that they are looking at further suspects in this entire case. They are looking at other cases depending on how, after these interrogations of those who have been arrested now from Nanded and from Hyderabad. After that, a further arrest might be possible. Ankit
also joins us from the capital for more on this story. Ankit, just take us through exactly what R.K. Singh has told us, because this is significant when somebody at the stature of the Home Secretary actually delivers a clear line saying that a major tragedy has been averted. What kind of major tragedy has been averted? Just take us through the details now that the government is willing to share with us.
Well, R.K. Singh, Home Secretary, categorically said that Houthi and the Lashkar-e-Taiba handlers on their this terror module, they had defense establishments on their radar. They have been, it seemed that they have been working on an attack on these defense establishments. Remember, this has been a concern for the Indian authorities for a very long time now. In fact, the 2611 David Coleman Headley had also recce'd a few of these defense establishments. So that has been something that the entire security apparatus is looking at very seriously. The most important thing is that, as you said, the profile of these suspects.
All right, Ankit's audio is a little bit of a problem, so we'll of course keep getting back to him, but R.K. Singh obviously making it amply clear that this is a significant bust. 11 people already detained, 5 more arrests also could have been taking place. So obviously the government wants to take one step at a time and then wants to reveal exactly what sort of information that they have with there. And Ankit, thanks for joining us and getting us these update.